Shalom from Jerusalem. Yay! I'm here at the Kotel at the Western Wall Plaza for the lighting of the first Chanukah candle, the first night of Chanukah. It's going to be starting in just a few minutes. Behind me there's a big sign that says lighting the Chanukah candles at the Kotel Maravi, the Western Wall, and people are starting to gather. Expected that there are going to be a lot of people here tonight. Of course, there's going to have to be security. I'm sure you've all heard about the terrible shooting attack, and our hearts go out to the Jewish communities in Australia. May God comfort all those who mourn and heal all the wounded. And so we're celebrating the light of Yeshua at Chanukah. Let's pray that the light will overcome the darkness, and may the light of Chanukah shine brightly in your hearts, in your homes, in your families. And thank you so much for standing with us in prayer here in the land of Israel, in the heart of Israel, in the holy city of Jerusalem. Shalom. Chief Rabbi of Israel. Talking about the miracle of Chanukah. The light of the Lord lights the soul. The war between the Greeks and the Jews was a spiritual battle for our Torah. It is the victory of the soul of the Jewish people. We won because of the holy Torah.